All of you, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about mixtures and different types of mixtures. A mixture is a substance which consists of two or more pure substances. How mixtures are formed? Mixtures are the combination of two or more pure substances. For example, sugar solution. That is the mixture of sugar and water. Likewise, mixtures are the substance which consist of two or more pure substances. Pure substances means elements or compounds. Two or more elements or compounds are combined together to form mixtures. Okay? Two or more pure substances are combined together to form mixtures. So that these components do not lose their identity. Next, types of mixtures. Mixtures are of two types: homogeneous mixtures, heterogeneous mixtures. Okay? Mixtures are of two types: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. What do you mean by homogeneous mixtures? A mixture is said to be homogeneous mixture if it has the same composition throughout the sample. Okay? Throughout the sample, they have same composition. For example, salt solution. How the salt solution make? Salt dissolved in water. There is no separation layer is seen there. There is no separation in salt and water. Salt is completely dissolved in that water. This type of solution is known as homogeneous mixtures. Another example is sugar solution. Sugar is completely dissolved in water, then we cannot see any separation in that solution. There is no separation in sugar and water. This type of mixtures is known as homogeneous mixtures. A homogeneous mixture has no visible boundaries, which means there is no separation between these two substances. These are the examples of homogeneous mixtures. Salt solution. How to prepare salt solution? Salt is sodium chloride. The salt dissolved in water. Sugar solution. Sugar dissolved in water. Carbonated water. Carbon dioxide which dissolved in water. These all are the examples of homogeneous mixtures. Next we move on the second type of mixture, that is heterogeneous mixtures. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous mixture if it consists of two or more parts. These parts have different compositions. For example, oil in water. The oil and water forms two separate layers. or sand and water. This sand and water makes two separate layers. Okay, sand is a single layer and the water is another layer. So there is a separation of layer. These are the examples of heterogeneous mixtures. All of you look on this. Undissolved sugar in sugar solution. This undissolved sugar can be seen in that solution. Okay, we can see undissolved sugar and sugar solution separately. And then mixture of iron and sulfur. We can see iron and sulfur separately. They are not mixed together. Mixture of sand and water. Sand forms one layer and water forms another layer. In this case also we can see sand and water separately. Sand is not dissolved in water. Okay. This type of mixtures is known as heterogeneous mixtures. Another examples are mixture of iron and iron fillings, oil and water. Oil forms one layer and water forms another layer. So we can see both these things in that solution. There is a separation of layer. All of you look on this picture. Sugar dissolved in water. Then after dissolving, we cannot see any sugar particles in this solution. We cannot see the sugar particles in water. This type of solution is known as homogeneous mixture. Okay. When sugar is dissolved in water, after dissolving, no sugar particles are left there. We cannot see no sugar particles. This is known as homogeneous mixture. All of you look on the second one. Sand is dissolved in water. What happens? Sand doesn't dissolve in water. We can see the sand particles separately in that water. Okay, we can see water and sand separately. So this type of mixtures is known as heterogeneous mixtures. Okay students, today I wind up my class. We will meet you on next class.